In this video, I am going to derive the theorem of parallel axis. I am going to talk about the theorem of parallel axis as well as I am going to derive an expression. For that, I need to have a body. Theorem of parallel axis is applicable to any shape of the body. Therefore, here I have taken a random shape. It is a body of any shape. Here, a body of any shape. The axis of rotation passing through center of mass. The body is rotating about the axis passing through the center of mass. Now another situation where the axis of rotation passing through the point O. Point O is any other point on the body other than center of mass. So O be the any point present on the body, same body other than center of mass.